Hi Chip, this is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time to review this quick little video. We're just helping local businesses take off a few hats that they wear and free up some of their time. So this video is full of some tips and tricks that you can utilize yourself, or I'd be more than willing to sit down and talk with you and see what we could possibly do to help. So I pulled up your website, great modern looking website, and definitely has some content. Google does like to see anywhere from 2,000 to 2,500 words of content, and in that content they like to see organic keywords. So I pulled up your site on what we call Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a site that we use to see how a website is ranking versus our competitors. As you can see, you have 128 backlinks, 38 referring domains, and 21 organic keywords. Looks like Tucker HVAC is a good one that you have. Searches are 60 per month. People are searching for you in particular, which is great. And then let's pull up one of your competitors. This is another good looking website. Pictures can be considered content as well, as long as they are labeled and applied correctly. Same with videos. So I went ahead and pulled up them as well. They have 186 backlinks. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. Google likes to see quality versus quantity. They have quite a few organic keywords. Looks like Air Conditioning Experts Tucker, Georgia has a search volume of 20, so that's a good one. Some people are searching for them in particular. Looks like they have some national ranking words. Here's a good one to have if you service this area. 150 searches a month. They have quite a bit. HVAC Georgia. So they have quite a bit. This is another modern looking website of one of your competitors. They are lacking content. But let's look and see how they're ranking. 328 backlinks. Again, Google likes to see quality versus quantity. Looks like people are searching them in particular. Here's another Air Conditioning Experts that they have. Some national ranking keywords. AC replacement near me has 200 searches. A low KD, so that's good. And let's pull up Google. So now if you're placing ads places, the best place to place ads is Facebook and Google. And the reason for that is you get more bang for your buck. So on Google, this is where you'll see ads that are placed. Right here is what we call the map pack. This is definitely where you want to be, which you are number 2. So you definitely want to hold that position. If not, move up another. And you want to make sure nobody comes in behind you and outranks you. And the reason for that is most potential customers are going to call the first 2 to 3 services that they see for quotes and whatnot, and then you can convert them into clients of yours. Down here is the organic listings. Again, you want to be on the first page. That helps you rank and drives more business to your company. Another way to ensure that you're holding this position is citations. Now, citations are very easy to obtain. It is time consuming, but basically it's just your business name, phone number, and address placed on various sites such as Yelp, that sort of thing. I hope you found this video beneficial and could use some tips and tricks I gave you to keep your rank. If you have any questions, let me know. Please send me a quick email and review this video so I know that I'm providing value to local businesses. Thanks so much. Have a great day.